Water quality has really been a problem here in the UAE. The water is usually hard or desalinated, and it's often pumped full of chlorine. Showering in this water can have adverse effects on the skin and hair, especially when you've been using it for a long time. Hair loss has been one of the major negative impacts for many here. And the main obvious culprit is hard water, which contains chlorine and heavy metals like lead, mercury, and iron. Frizzy locks, hair looking dull, and skin and scalp irritations are problems for many here too. The best thing you can do to prevent all these is to get a shower water filter that will remove all the chlorine and heavy metals from your shower water. While there aren't many brands to consider, the H2O Pure Blue is probably one of the best among the few options available on the market today. The company is based in Dubai, and it provides shower solutions that include shower filters, shower purifiers, and water-saving products. They develop and sell their products across the UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Al Quwain, Sharjah, Fujairah, Ajman, and Ras Al Khaimah. Their Pure Blue shower filter is amongst the best in the market, and it's designed specifically for the UAE and the rest of the Middle East to help tackle the heavy chlorinated hard water that always causes hair loss. It's a highly effective filter system that clears out nearly all the chlorine content in the water, as well as heavy metals, microorganisms, and other contaminants. It also reduces water hardness, so you get soft shower water that's cleaner, safer, and healthier for both your skin and hair. The filter itself is quick and easy to attach, requires less maintenance, and has little to no effect on the shower pressure. It's attractive and well built too. Users seemed generally pleased with it, as many reported that it made a big difference to both their hair and skin. In this review, we'll dig deeper and share more details about this shower filter, from its performance to some of its downsides. So, keep reading to learn more. The H2O Pure Blue shower filter is a definite must-have if you stay in the UAE, because it's specifically designed to handle the hard and heavily chlorinated water of the UAE. It's able to effectively filter out all the chlorine content in the water along with heavy metals and microorganisms, thereby significantly improving the health of your hair and skin. Nearly all users were really pleased with its performance, especially because hair loss is drastically reduced with just a few weeks of using the filter. Hair loss is a major concern in the UAE, and the main culprit for this is usually chlorinated water. Therefore, we would highly recommend this unit if you want a shower filter that effectively prevents hair fall. It's a great option too for anyone who just wants to improve their hair and skin appearance and health. It's best for all hair and skin types. The installation is pretty straightforward, and it requires little maintenance. The H2O Pure Blue offers a 2-year warranty on the filter system, and their customer service is amazing, as attested by users. They are very cooperative and well informed about their product and quickly respond to inquiries, providing required information fast and in detail. Their delivery service is also great, and they deliver the unit all over the UAE.